Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn 4 different formulas of Microsoft Excel. So our first formula is time function in Microsoft Excel. The other one is second function in Microsoft Excel. Third one is minute function, and then we have hour function in the last. So let's start with time first. Now we will learn how to use time formula in Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, we have seconds, minutes and hours in different cells. So when you have all these in different cells and you want to combine that, then time function is used. So we will use our formula here, which is equals to time, then tab. Now as it is asking, we need to select hours. So we will select this cell, then comma. For minutes, we will select this one. Then for seconds, we will select B9, bracket over and enter. Now you can see the time here. So we can copy it and then paste it here. And now you can see time for all. If you don't want to see AM or PM, then we will select this data, right click, then format cells, and then as time is selected here, so we'll select this where we have hours, minutes and seconds. Then we'll press OK, and now you can see it here. Next formula is second function in Microsoft Excel. So we'll use our formula here, which will extract seconds from the time. As you can see, we have time beside it in these cells, so we want to extract seconds from these. So we'll use our formula here, which is equals to second, then tab, then we'll select this cell, bracket over and enter. Then we can copy it and then paste it here. Now you can see seconds for these all. Next function is minute function in Microsoft Excel. So this formula works same like second function, which we have already learned. So we'll use our formula here to extract minutes from the time. So our formula is equals to minute, then tab. Now we'll select this cell, bracket over and enter. Now you'll copy it and then paste it in these. Now you can see minutes, which we have here in the middle, are now available in our cells separately. So last formula for this video is hour function in Microsoft Excel. So we use this function to separate hour from the time. As we have here 4 PM, so we can extract this by this formula. So our formula is equals to hour, then tab. I will select the cell, bracket over and enter. Then copy and we'll paste it here, and you can see hours for all. I hope you have learned all these 4 formulas of Microsoft Excel. If you have any question, you can write me in the comments. I will try to reply as soon as possible. And if this video was helpful, please hit that like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.